Look, Thrish. So hold on. You will get some help. Look how.
Oh yes, I can see something.
Yeah, just scrape the soil out.
I scraped the soil out, but it's not coming out. First one you see, then just get it.
Not bad. What happened?
Hi guys, today we're gonna harvest our potatoes. Because of the lockdown, we couldn't get the potato bags. Well, we had an idea. We used our favorite shopping bags and planted our potatoes. But first the potatoes grow healthy and nice. Well, they're dying. So that means they're telling that we have to harvest them. Yeah.
Wow, so now that lushy green leaves have almost died, and now you guys ready to harvest your potatoes?
Yeah!
Alrighty, so quickly go grab your gloves and then we will harvest our potatoes.
Okay.
Quick!
Okay. Come on.
Got your gloves?
Yep. I need to put my other one on the...
Alright. Okay, so let's start it up.
Yeah.
So all ready?
Yeah.
Yes, you got your first bit of the potato bag.
Yep.
See, now that the leaves are dying out, they're dropping off the plant, which means that the potatoes are...
Ready to harvest.
That's right. Okay, so now that we used our shopping bags to plant potatoes, we just cut them through and you can dig the potatoes out.
Yeah.
Okay? All right. Wow.
Yep.
Now that the potato bag is open, you want to dig in slowly to see how the potatoes are looking.
Yeah.
Because none of the potatoes are seen out, isn't it? Yeah? So start digging in slowly.
Oh, I can see some skin of one.
Oh, the first potato!
Oh, there's lots.
Look.
I can see one more skin.
Yes.
Oh,
Wow.
Oh, yeah. Found one potato.
Yes. Wow.
Yay. First one you see, then just get it.
Not bad, isn't it? We got so many.
I never knew that when I just took some soil, some potatoes fall out.
Yep,
This is a lot of potatoes.
I
We
know.
can also make potato chips. We can make jacket potato with it.
Yes, let's see how many potatoes we get. Wow.
This means that... this is a really tiny one.
That's right.
This means if there's stems here, that means there's a potato fruit.
Yes.
There are some
Potatoes are basically root vegetables.
Yep.
Yeah.
And remember, if the potatoes are green, that means they're poisonous, so you shouldn't eat them.
That's
You should
right.
throw them away.
Yes, look. Now what color is the potato?
They look something yellow gold.
Yeah.
Yeah, goldish.
Yeah. But if the potatoes are green, which means that they are exposed to sunlight
Yep.
and they
Yep.
are poisonous.
Look,
So you need to
I
kill
found a
them.
written with the potato.
Oh wow, yes, that's right.
Look, so many potatoes.
Potatoes are rich in vitamin B6.
Yep, and vitamin C.
Yes, and vitamin C. That's right.
That's good for us.
That's right. And they help us for a smooth digestion of food.
Wow, look what I found.
What?
It's a worm. Earthworm. Where?
Yeah, look, it's an earthworm.
Oh yeah, I can see it.
It's okay. Earthworms live in the soil,
Yeah.
right?
And they help our plants to grow a lot.
Yes, they help in the fertilization of our plants. Soil.
Yeah. This feels like a potato.
Yeah,
Oh,
it
this
is.
is a tiny potato.
It is a baby potato.
Yeah.
Look.
Whoa, this is soil on me, brother. potatoes.
That's right.
And we're gonna wash them up as well. Because
Yes.
they're dirty. We can't eat them with soil.
That's right. You can't eat them with the soil.
Yep.
So try digging in this bag. So if we are done digging in.
Oh, look what I found.
Look.
Oh, potatoes. Take out the roots as well, like this.
Yeah.
So you can see. Hey, I can see a baby potato stick to it.
Yeah, you can take it out.
Wow, it's so tiny.
Yes.
Too tiny. Like it's in the mommy's tummy.
Okay, come on, dig in. Let's see if we find some more
Let's dig
potatoes.
in the middle because we haven't found anything.
Yes.
Whoa, a
You know, this is
potato.
like a treasure hunt.
Yeah.
This is a potato hunt.
Yeah, this is a rock instead of potato. I thought it was a potato anyway.
So this is a potato hunt, guys.
Yeah. Now, here should be some.
You happy with the yield?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I found something.
So for all the hard work that you did by watering the plants and taking care of it,
I
think-
something, Woody. What's this?
I think it was something in the soil.
Yep, it was. Wait, what's this? It's
Which?
an orange seed.
Yeah, something with the
that's a potato
fertilizers.
seed, maybe.
Yeah, might be something with the fertilizer.
What does fertilizer mean?
Fertilizers help the soil and the plant to give you very healthy vegetables.
Wow. Let's take out the parts that we haven't seen.
Yep.
If there are any potatoes. This is how much we found in the first bag. Let's check out the second bag.
Okay, come on, let's get the second bag.
This is our second bag. Let's cut it open.
Okay.
Close the dead grass. Slowly and gently. Ooh, what is this I found? A slug now. A slug.
Yeah, it's created its own house there. Oh, look at the slug. It's okay.
Wow.
It's not going to do any. It's not going to harm
Oh, I found something. It's a worm. I found a worm.
you. Yes, it's an earthworm.
Ooh, the slug and the earthworm.
Yeah.
They both build houses here.
That's right. They both build houses. Come on.
Now take
Slow
it.
and steady.
Wow,
Look.
wow, look, I found one potato. It's
Yes.
combined.
That's right.
Now, first, I'm going to clean the slug out. Hey, what's that? What? There's something in the soil. Just made a hole there.
There'll be so many things in the soil. Don't worry, guys. It's not going to harm us.
But what if they do?
Look.
Wow, I found one root.
Yes. So this time, let's hold the plant to see how they grow usually. Oh, look. Wow.
Oh, one big potato.
Yes. Trishi, slowly scrape the soil out. See, you can see the potatoes.
I can't see it.
Yep.
I can see some manure here.
Yeah, look, Trish. So hold on. You will get some help. Look how.
Oh, yes, I can see something.
Yeah, just scrape the soil out.
I scraped the soil out, but it's not coming out.
Ouch, look at these potatoes.
Yes, I've got a long one growing here.
Yeah.
There's one here and two at the bottom.
Yeah, look, show me yours, Trish. You have some big ones.
I found
Tell
a
me,
really
if they
long
are
one.
baby potatoes, they look like this. Yeah, wow.
I found one long one
That's
in
right.
the soil.
Oh, look how long the potatoes are in this second bag, isn't it?
Should we remove them?
Oh, yeah, you can.
Or look how long this one is.
Yeah.
Oh, these are so cool.
You can keep the bowl in front of you, Janvi, so that it's easy to put it across.
Yep, even for me.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, look, there's some here. Some baby potatoes. Earthworm. Found one. Found two actually.
Yep. Come on. Yeah, potatoes are really good for heart.
Why?
And if there is a burn on the skin, if you take some of the potato peel, add some honey to it and rub it across the burn, it works like a medicine.
Wow.
Yep.
Hey, look over here. Found one. I found one baby potato.
Baby potato.
Look at these potatoes. I found some. Found one. Wait. No. Found two.
What happened?
It's a slug. Snail, actually.
Oh wow, look. It had built its own house over here. Did it get scared?
Yeah. Too scared me. Now let's just remove it.
Yeah, these are
It's
such.
already showing out its body.
Yeah, this is such a nice experience of harvesting, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Snail.
Oh, look.
Yeah.
It's putting its head out. Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my god.
If it's so human.
Yeah, it's so wonderful.
if
Have
it
you ever
is-
seen a snail coming out like this? I
No,
haven't.
never.
I haven't.
Do you know what? If it sees you, it will hide back in its
Shell.
Yeah, and that's too easy. We can keep it in the plants.
Yeah, I know. Look, I've always seen only the shell of the snail.
Yeah, me too. But now we're seeing the body.
Yeah, that's right.
Just moving so.
It's not scared of us. It knows that we are not going to harm it, isn't it?
Well, it's we know. Well, it's know that we're gonna take away its home.
Yeah.
Oh, look, come on! A tiny slug. It still hasn't made its shell. These are all the potatoes that we've harvested for this year. Now let's weigh it.
Yep, let's weigh it.
2.1. It's 2.1.
Oh wow, 2.1.
That's a lot.
2.1 kilos. So say if you take out a bowl weight of 100 grams, which means that you harvested 2 kilos of potato.
2 kilos of potatoes.
That's
Now
right.
you can make potato chips and jacket potatoes. Yep.
All right, we shall make it.
Now this bag is gonna be ready in a couple of weeks, and we can see how many potatoes are inside it.
Yes. So did you guys enjoy your potato harvesting?
Yeah.
Yay. This turned out to be a potato hunt,
Yeah.
like a scavenger hunt. You saw some earthworms.
Yeah.
What else did you see?
We saw slugs, like
It's
a snail
scared.
that was scared.
That's
and even
right.
we saw a woodlouse.
Oh yeah, that's
When you
right.
opened that, yeah.
That's right. So now let's try to go clean up the potatoes a little later.
If you're liking our videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.